Hey, welcome back all you DIYers today. Yes, right. We're working on a camper today, a little something different, and we're going to show you how to put on these brand new Morryde steps. Let's get started. All right, so here we are. We got these steps all taken out of the box and everything, and I will have to say Morryde did not do us any favors with the box, or I guess maybe more the shipping company, but the box is beat up. Both the ends are busted out of them and everything. The product itself seems to be just fine, but in the instructions it does say something about having screws and stuff to be able to put this in, and I can't find any of the screws, so we're gonna have to come up with a little something different to secure everything. But first step is making sure we go ahead and open everything up, and right inside, on the inside of the door, is a little flange on the inside that we need to take off. This little flange right here, that little flange right there has got to come out. And then also this here, this post here, this was actually for my door. It did have a hydraulic bar on here that kept it sticking out. I always felt like it was always in the way getting in and out, so we took that off. We'll take that one off of there, and there's also one that's on the underneath of the door. We'll get that taken off also. So I'll work on that. We'll bring you right back. All right, so we're gonna see if we can get these set up in here. Went ahead and pulled out the back side of the hinge. Flip them upside down, just like they're gonna set in here. Set them inside. So you're gonna wanna get something to loosen these up so you can get everything centered in here. And then the whole set also has to set 15/16 inside of this front edge here. So we'll work on getting that set. All right, so after getting little things installed here a little more, I did actually find some damage on this. As you can see, that's actually just supposed to be a 90-degree corner there. Not a huge deal, but if you look on the inside, it's actually cracked. It is a little cracked on the inside, so I'm gonna go in and see if I can actually try to bend this thing back and get it back into working order and get it installed. So we'll see what happens. All right, so I tried to bend this thing back and do what I could, and I got a little bit out of it. It's a little better than it was, but I think some adjustments, see if I can get this thing to work in here a little better. All right, so we're back in there. We got her all adjusted and everything, so I think, let's see if we can bring her down. All right, so there we go. Simple installation of these Morryde steps. Much more stable getting in and out of the camper, not that wiggling around. Camper steps that usually come with them. So hey, definitely something you can try at home yourself. And hey, till next time, like it, share it, subscribe to it. We'll see you later.